We're going to demonstrate rolling in the bed. So for a patient who's unable to assist you, so you just let me do all the work, okay? So if he was laying in bed and perhaps he was in a medically induced coma and I'm trying to work on positioning him for pressure relief, I'm going to take this leg and cross it over, okay? And I'm going to bring this arm over. I'm going to assume a wide base of support, bring my center of gravity down, and then I'm going to guide from the hip and the shoulder and transition him onto his side, okay? So he's very close to the edge of the bed here, but then I could use a pillow tucked behind him. And then before I left, I would put the bed rail up so that he was safe. Okay, that's one technique. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna have you come back onto your back. Okay. So for a patient who's able to help, I would instruct, what I want you to do is go ahead and bend up your knees. Okay. And then can you reach your right arm over towards the edge of the bed or the bed rail? And then I want you to help me roll you onto your side. So you're always letting the patient do as much as they can, and you're just picking up the assistance that they need. So we're gonna come on to your side. Good. And then from here, you can transition to a seated position. So from here, Matt, what we're gonna do is go ahead and sit up. Again, I want you to do as much as you can. So can you start to bring your legs over the side of the bed? And then we're gonna push through the arms and transition up. So I've got my hands on the hip and the shoulder guiding him up. We can reverse that to lay back down. So what I'm gonna have you do, Matt, is put your hand on the bed. You're gonna start to come down onto your left side. I'm gonna guide you here and help with your legs. So start to bring your legs up at the same time. Good, so again, I'm low. My legs are separated, so I've got a nice base of support. My center of gravity is low to protect my back. And then we're gonna go ahead and roll onto your back again. Good. And then we'd give the patient a pillow, put the bed rail up on both sides, and then I'm gonna give you the call bell, so if you need anything at all, you can call for the nurse. Do you need anything before I leave?
I do not.
Great, so we're always thinking about patient comfort first and foremost, and safety.